Title: Understanding the Differences Between Men and Women. Lessons from men are from Mars, women are from Venus. Hi everyone, welcome back to Beyond Feelings TV, where we break down the best relationship books to help you connect and thrive in love. Today, we're diving into Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus by John Gray, a timeless guide that has helped millions understand the key differences between men and women in relationships. Whether you're struggling to communicate with your partner or looking for ways to strengthen your bond, this book offers insights that are practical and surprisingly eye-opening. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the big idea of this book. John Gray explains that men and women often think, communicate, and handle emotions differently. It's not about who's right or wrong. It's just how we're wired. Imagine that men are from Mars, a planet where independence, problem-solving, and personal space rule. And women are from Venus, where connection, emotional sharing, and nurturing take center stage. It's like we're speaking two completely different languages. But the good news is, once we understand these differences, we can bridge the gap. Common misunderstandings in relationships. So, what are these differences, and how do they show up in relationships? The book highlights a few common misunderstandings that many couples face. Men tend to pull away when they're stressed, while women often seek emotional support and connection during tough times. This can make women feel rejected and men feel overwhelmed. Women might want to talk about their feelings to process them, but men often prefer to think through their problems alone. Men tend to give solutions when their partner shares a problem, thinking it's helpful, while women might just want someone to listen without fixing anything. Sound familiar? These differences can lead to tension, but they don't have to. Gray offers strategies to help us understand and adapt to each other's needs. Here's how you can apply the lessons from Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. First, learn to respect your partner's style of coping. If he's withdrawing, give him space. If she's sharing her feelings, listen without jumping in to solve the issue. Second, communicate openly about what you need. For example, say something like, "I don't need advice right now, I just need you to listen." This helps avoid frustration and keeps the conversation flowing. Finally, practice empathy. Instead of assuming your partner is intentionally being distant or demanding, try to understand where they're coming from and what they're feeling. One of my favorite parts of this book is its focus on collaboration, not conflict. Gray reminds us that relationships thrive when we embrace our differences and work together as a team. It's not about fixing your partner, it's about understanding each other and finding ways to connect on a deeper level. Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus is a must-read for anyone who wants to improve their relationship by learning how to communicate better and respect their partner's unique way of thinking. Thanks so much for watching. If this resonates with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more relationship insights and book breakdowns. And hey, tell me in the comments, what's one thing you've learned about the differences between men and women? Let's talk about it. See you next time.